A very good afternoon to all. Yesterday, we discussed about the creation of linked list or singly linked list, right? Or singly linked list we discussed, right? So in that, what we discussed, creation of a linked list. So how many operations we have completed yesterday?
3 operations.
3 operations. Which one?
Insertion of node at end,
Okay.
insertion of node at starting point, and insertion of node at specific location.
Okay, very nice, very good. So these 3 points we have covered yesterday. Now today we'll move to the next point. Delete operation, right? So today we will discuss the next operation, that is deletion of node. Screen this is on. Both notepad and paint is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now suppose you have a list of element. So in that first element, so how you are adding the element? First, suppose you have 3 elements. 1, 2, and 3 elements, right? In that, these 3 are the nodes. Now this node is connected with the this node, right? After that, this node is connected with the this third node, right? And here the values are 10, 20, Now these are the linked list, right? So here, what is meant by start? What is the role of start pointer? What start pointer is doing here?
Pointing the first node.
Pointing to the first node, right? Now here the addresses will write 1000, or I will write 100, 200, right? So this is 2. And 300. So these are the address of these 3 nodes. Now how to apply the delete operation on that? Now first thing is you need to receive the data. First thing is you require the first receive screen is visible to all? Is it properly visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First receive the data. So what data you want to delete? Receive the data of node. Right. After that, what you required again, or to be, we'll say here, to be deleted. Oh. Whom you are required the data from user, right? Receive the data of node to be deleted from the user. This is the first step. Second step. What is the second step? Second step, what you need to check?
Position of that data.
Position. Now, first we'll write the condition for, suppose I want to delete the 10. Here I have given the list, or first element of the linked list I want to delete. We'll write a simple condition first, or we'll write a, first we'll consider the deletion of first element of a linked list. Deletion of first element of a linked list. Then what you need to do? Check whether, now here what is the value of start pointer? Start pointer value कैसे? Start equal to what? What is the value of start? Here
100.
100. Now what is the value of start info? What is the value of start info?
10.
What is the value of start link?
100.
Start link I am talking. Start of link
200, sir.
200.
200, right? So here is the start of link. Start of link कुठं असणार आहे? Yes and N, right? Start of link value is 200, right? Now here, so first we'll check whether start of link equal to what? Data. Sorry, data, where you need to check. So first we'll check the data. So whatever the data you have inserted. What you require here to check the data? Start link is required or start of data is required? Now you said the first we need to compare the data, right? So how to compare the data? So start of data equal to what we need to check?
Same.
First, sorry, start of info, na? So we have taken info, right? Start of info is equal to what? Data, right? Now, if it is true, if Now we'll write a first we'll write a function for the first node only, right? Later on, we'll write the condition for the specific node, and after that we'll write a for the last node, right? So how to delete the first node, how to delete the any specific node, and after that we'll write a code for the, or we'll discuss for the how to delete the last node of the linked list, right? Now if yes, then what you are doing, or if true, then what you need to do, how to delete the first element. Our first element delete कसा करायचं? Suppose I want to delete this element. How to remove the 10? Now you can tell me the answer. After that, we'll write a code here, or we'll write this logic. Now here, is it visible to all? So how many element is there in our linked list? Linked list मध्ये किती element आहेत? 10, 20, and 30. Hello. How many elements are there in your linked list?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Now it is okay. Now audible. Hello. Hello. Net's a problem, I guess. Voice break. Am I audible to all? Hello.
Yes, sir. Now audible.
Now, how many elements are there in your linked list? 10, 20, and 30, right? Suppose if you want to remove the 10, so what you need to do? So what kind of logic you will apply here? Suppose I want to remove this 10. What you will do? Now, always the start pointer is connected with whom? Hello. आवाज येतोय ना सर्वांना?
So start la next point.
Yes.
Node ला connect करायचं. Yes, sir.
Start कुठं connect करणार? Where we need to connect the start?
Start ला next node ला connect करायचं.
So we will connect. Let me draw. Start we will connect with the next node, right? So start we will connect with the next node instead of first node, and automatically this node will be removed. Now this node is connected with the this one by using what? S of L, start of link, right? Now which value you need to copy here in start so that it will automatically connect with the 20. Now just we'll write here. Start is equal to what is the value? 100, right? No. And start of info. What is the value of start of info here? Alapia, give the response. Let it be if it is correct or wrong. So without your response, I'm not able to explain the concept. Hello. Hello. Start is equal to 100, right? Now start of info is equal to 10. Now start of link. So what is the value of start of link here?
200.
200, right? Now, suppose you want to remove the first element of your linked list. So what you need to do? So you need to change these values. You need to change these values. Start of 100 is equal to, start is equal to what you require here. If you want to connect the start pointer to this one, so what you need to do here? Start equal to what?
Start equal to 200.
Start is equal to 200, but how to write or how to assign the value of 200? कशा assign करना? Can I write like this? Start of link, so that the value 200 will be assigned to the start. Yes or no? Hello. Now, Arapya, check. Now voice is coming continuously. So now it is not breaking, or till it is breaking. Hello.
Sir, your voice is repeating.
Disconnect myself.